Welcome to MTV Cribs, y'all. Fuck you, man fans.
I don't hate you, man fans.
Fuck up this fan.
Okay, so over there we've got an axe,
the first one.
It's not
cricket
lighting.
bat,
Error.
It's not lighting, we've got to take
You're a bit
a
late.
tomahawk, and a sledgehammer. No, it's not a sledgehammer, it's a blockbuster.
Fuck up this fan.
We've already burnt that one. It's like nothing's burnt.
Prepare for the death of a fan. Take this, Jonathan is.
Jonathan S. doesn't care about these fans, he likes industrials. Like me.
Oh, well then, good. Burn the non-industrial fan.
Yeah, bitch.
He's lighting the flame. Oh, and nothing happened. Very anticlimactic. Oh, it's a triple flame.
Yes, it's burning now. Yep.
Can we smash it now?
No, we've got to completely light it. We seem to be failing at that, but...
Come on, I don't have blonde.
Shit out, yeah. Yeah, wait.
No, it's a long strip that runs parallel.
So, which weaponry should have the first hit?
Me.
Actually,
I hate fans.
Wait, give me a go. I want to do this. Wait,
filming?
let me go first. Die! Bloody! Shit. Alright. Shit.
Okay, Sponge.
Fall down. Twice. Hate you. Die.
Yes.
Die.
My turn.
Oh, don't destroy them both. No.
Ah.
Your turn.
Cricket. Wait, give me a go. Wait.
Shaun of the Dead. And.
No, I want to do that bit. Oh, careful. Wait.
one of you take this and film it. I want to...
Yo, what up?
Don't touch that one.
Welcome to MTV Cribs, y'all.
Oi, get out of the camera. Focus it on the fan.
This is my homie Jared.
Here we have. Here we have a fan.
Where's my...
Fuck the cunt. On the fucking.
Hang on, Ronnie.
Oh, that's my money. That's my money. I
Wait,
need a donut.
stop.
I need a
No, I was
donut.
going to hit you in the head.
Oh, miss.
Can I try the bloody
Oi, Rory.
Rory,
Where's the rest of the
Don't
money?
run away from me.
It's on the ground. Yeah.
Dude, I need a dollar. The dollar. Where's the
I'll
dollar?
take this.
What the fuck's the dollar?
Take McLennigan. No.
I am about to destroy this.
Oh, it's not embedded in the ground now.
Someone take this.
Try and get that.
It's blurry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it
You have
here.
to try to
What
zoom.
bus? Wait. What time
Give
is
it to
it?
me. This eye, you've got it. You probably have to go now, Isaac.
What time is it?
Does anyone here have the time?
Sorry. Darren, what time is it?
Oh, where's Lachlan gone?
We're inside.
It's half past.
God, that motor is mangled.
Dodge move!
Yep.
Alexa,
Go.
We'll go swing by swing.
Sean, do you want your Lionel Richie record?
Alexa, can I get a dollar?
Not right now. Okay.
Can I borrow a dollar, please?
No.
Alright.
Take off the little side bits.
That's just because I need donuts, you know?
I'll beat a fan with another fan.
Or, if you move, I'll beat it with this.
Who's filming?
Me.
No, fuck you, man fans.
I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah.
Jack, move.
It's charming.
Spencer, bloody don't want you trying to get me on the...
We need something special for that. Hey.
What the fuck's this bit? I'll smash it anyway.
Hey, fucking touch this.
Move, kid. Move, Paul McCartney. That's right, Lachlan.
Yeah, we spent ages putting it up, and then it fell down. Now we're destroying it.
Anyway, where are you
Video
guys
descent.
going?
Got the dollar. Wait, we can buy donuts now, Lachlan.
Sean.
Miss.
That fan is wrecked. Let's hang this up now.
No, I'm dual
No,
wheeling.
that should be our trophy. We just need to get the edges off it.
Yes! Awesome! We just broke the motor open. Oh, stop.
Turn it over.
Hack that. Hack it good.
It's exposed.
One by one. You
Go.
first, me second.
Jack, Isaac, Jack, and so forth.
Don't hit the center.
Shit, I got